Hi everyone, Tridip here from Tridip Tech TGT and welcome to another video. And in this video we'll be unboxing the braided solo loop for the Apple Watch by Apple. Now this is the box which I ordered from the Apple India online store, and it is priced at 7,900 Indian rupees. Now quickly cut open the plastic, and first we have the bill with 7,900 Indian rupees mentioned as price. And then we have the box which should contain the original product box. Let's quickly open using the pull tab here and flip open the box. Inside we have another paper document about the product and the main product package wrapped in cardboard and tape. As I always mention guys, Apple product packaging is really impressive. You can see here. Now let's take out the original box here. Here we go. And the color I have selected here is called INVERNESS Green. There are more other colors option available as well. You can check that at Apple India online store. The link is in the description box below. At the back we have the Apple Watch branding, and it says braided solo loop textile fitted band, as you can see. At the side the 7,900 rupees price is mentioned as well. Okay, now we have another pull tab to open before we get into the original product. Here we go. At the very top we have the paperwork describing the product. Then we have this unit. Flip it open, and at the top we have the images showing how to fit the band onto your Apple Watch and how to wear the watch with this band on. And at the button part shows how to change the Apple Watch faces. Now let's peel off the original band from the case here and have a closer look. As I mentioned, the color is INVERNESS Green and it looks really nice, and the material is really elastic. Now I am already using the silicone solo loop for my 44mm Apple Watch Series 5, and these bands are really comfortable. The ends have metal brackets to attach to your watch, and of course this is one of the braided loop with textile fitted finish. The surface feels a bit hard, but it's really elastic. Now let's try it on the wrist. Let's take my watch off. And then remove this silicone band. Start from this side first, press the pin, and then onto the other side, just like this. Okay, now let's put on the new band. Start from the top right side here, and then now guys, the band size is mentioned here, 44mm size 6. Let's have a closer look here, and then just continue with the process here. And here we go. It attaches perfectly to the 44mm Apple Watch body, and the finishing is of Apple standard as well. It covers the sides perfectly here, as you can see, and the watch looks awesome. Let's try to put it on. Just pull the button portion and glide it onto your wrist, and then adjust the position just like that. It's really easy, and it looks very nice on the hand and feels comfortable as well. The fit is absolutely perfect. Now here is how to put it off easily as well. The braided textile material is quite different than the silicone one, and it gives your Apple Watch a unique look as well. Now here is a side-by-side comparison between the solo silicone loop and the solo braided loop. Both are green with different finishing. I am using this silicone band every day for almost 6 months now, and it has held up its shape perfectly. And here are some close-up looks of the band itself. Now these solo loops look good on your wrist, but selecting the proper band size is a bit tricky. I'll make another video later where I will clearly demonstrate how to select the proper band size for an Apple Watch if you want to purchase a solo loop. So do watch out for that video, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to TGT, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.